All right, down to business. This year, we have our defending champion, Juan Coro from the Corporal's Nursery, prior champion, Ben Eagle from Wellevue Gardens in Arvada, Colorado. We also have Jonathan Noyola from Spring Creek Growers in Waller, Texas, accompanied by Steve Music. And lastly, we have Ramon Ponce from Skagit Horticulture, accompanied by Mike. So just to refamiliarize yourself with the rules, we're going to have 3 rounds, and 3 rounds where the participants will compete individually to see how fast they can build a reference rack that you see here. The racks need to be the shelves need to be evenly spaced between the tape. Anything that falls outside of the tape is going to be a 5-second deduction. If the shelf is not level, that is a 3-second deduction. Our judge and counterpart here, Luis, he will be breaking down the racks, confirming if there's any deductions and communicating them to the judges. Jonathan Noyola from Spring Creek Growers. Of note, this is Jonathan's first year participating in the rack build. Jonathan, we're going to count down from 3, 2, 1. One thing I failed to mention is the awards that are awarded for placing in this competition. The winner of this event, the rack builders themselves, will win $1,000. That award is doubled for the farm. So $1,000 to the winner, $2,000 to the nursery. Second place, $750, $1,500 to the nursery. Third place, $500, $1,000 to the nursery, and no one goes home empty-handed. So even third place will receive $250, $500 to the nursery. Up next, we have Juan Coro from the Corporal's Nursery. 3, 2, 1. And the next rack builder, Ben Eagle from Wellevue Gardens. Ben, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. With both our CCUS North America president here and the CEO of CC Worldwide from Amsterdam, we are going to have a single rack build-off between both those gentlemen. So first, I would like to introduce to the stage our CEO from Amsterdam visiting, Roel de Jong. And next on stage,
the president of CCUS North America, Sonny Thompson. Gentlemen, are you ready? Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. And the winner of the first leadership tryout, Lauderdale. I didn't want to say this earlier in fear of making them nervous, but we have two first-timers up here. Ramon Ponce and Jonathan Loyola from Skagit and Spring Creek. And we have two prior champions on stage in Ben Eagle and Juan Cora. So I will announce the fastest round first, which was in round 2. And the winner of that is Juan Cora at 23.08 seconds. Which means Juan Cora defends his title as the Centralen or CC Red Bull champion with an average time of 25.17 seconds.